This is just my tips, no? Na para sa akin, it is a time waster. Para sa akin, time is gold. So, ito tandaan ninyo ha. And this is just my tip, no? First, waiting for inspiration. So, minsan, hindi tayo makagagalaw because we wait for the inspiration. No, we wait for our parents to inspire, to the loved one to inspire. So, do not wait, no? Just do. No, just do it. Number two, worrying about what people will say. Well, sabi nga nila, 90-10. The other people na sinasabi sa atin, they are only 10% of our reaction. 90% it is coming from our reaction. It is all our control. So hayaan mo sila. No, next, always complaining. No, we don't always complain. We always do a work around because that's the most important, no? Then ito, katulad niyan, parang minsan guilty ako dito, no? Trying to please everybody. Nako, we cannot please everybody. We can only please ourselves. No, sabi nga nila, if you can't change them, change your attitude. No? Then, comparing yourself to other people. Do not really compare yourself to other people. Alam mo bakit? When we compare ourselves to other people, everyone is unique eh. You cannot be guapo like other people. No, I cannot be guapo like other artists in there. I have my unique identity. So, yung gagawin natin, do not compare yourself. No? Repeating the same mistakes. Kung alam na natin nangyari na ito, mali na ito, no? Wag na nating paulit-ulitin, no? It is hard to do than tell, but of course, nothing wrong when we try our best. Expecting perfectionism. No one is perfect, tandaan nyo yan. Kahit ako hindi perfect, kahit sino dyan hindi perfect, only the one is perfect. Next, a lack of priorities. That's why I always say, you have to make your goal in life, you do priorities. No? Kasi kapag may goal ka na, may gusto ka nang gawin sa buhay mo, ang nangyayari po sa iyo ay mayroon ka nang gagawing action plan in order for you to hit that goal. Dapat may dream tayo, may vision tayo. Kasi it follows na yung mission and the values in doing it. No? And then, do not, no, the fear of failure. Huwag kayong matakot ma-fail because that's the opportunity to grow. No? Always be open to the failure, criticism that other people is doing. Kasi pag failure na at magiging tulala ka lagi, pangit yon. So, you have to do your best. Para sa akin, failure is the one who's against sa ating success, no? So, huwag kayong matakot because that's an opportunity to learn. And lastly, not living your life. Serve to live life, happy life, always smile. Now, be grateful that you have been given that life, no, that beautiful life, because life is beautiful. All right, so that is my 10 tips for today. Do not waste your time because your time is gold. Bye-bye.